Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 745 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the Garmin Connect application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon to open the app. After the application opens, you should see a page called My Day. Now tap on the More icon to open the menu. Scroll down, select the option called Garmin Devices, and on this page you should see your Forerunner 745 on the list of devices. Tap on it to select it. Here find the option, rather More Options icon in the top right corner. Tap on it to open the menu. Come on, like this. Then tap on Remove Device. Tap on Remove. Tap on OK if you have any devices connected, and as you can see the 745 will disappear from the list of devices. You can tap on Settings, it will redirect you to Settings. Here you can go back to the main page of Settings, tap on Bluetooth, find the Forerunner 745 on the list of devices, tap on Info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget device to confirm. And once Forerunner 745 disappears from the list of my devices, you can close the settings and the app, and at this point the watch is unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.